Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. Okay, so today I've got something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make these little embellishments here. The little flower embellishments, and I think they're really pretty. That one's just added onto a little bit of seam binding, one of the little flowers. That one I popped a brad through, and these are made from these, which are bead caps. And I was having a little rummage through all my bits and pieces again over the weekend, trying to sort some stuff out, and I came across these bead caps. Now some of them were all squashed, and they're really hard to get back to the right shape, so I thought I would make some embellishments. And all as I did, I took one like this and I've squashed it down, and you've got this lovely little flower like that. Oops. So you just squash it down. See, some of them are all flat and bent anyway, so you just push it down. They're metal, but they're really sort of like very pliable, soft type of metal. And this is what I came up with. So I popped this one on a little bulb clip and a little adhesive gem, which are these here, which are just some self-adhesive gems. Popped it on there with a little bit of lace, and that makes a lovely embellishment. This is, I popped one on here, that's just the scrap paper and scrap fabric little embellishments we made the other day. And this one, I love this one. I love the black on here with a little black gem, and that's just a little popped onto the end of a paper clip. So I thought they would look really pretty. Oh, and this one I just left it plain, popped a little brad through the middle, and then you can just attach it to whatever you like. I thought they were really nice. So here's some more painted, which I think are lovely, really lovely. So a nice little pop of colour, and what I painted them with is nail polish. So I've just got lots and lots. Every time I go out, I used to pick up bits of nail polish if it's on offer, because it's a really lovely thing to work with if you want to sort of make it look like enamel. And I thought they look really nice. I've got some sort of brownier colours here, so if you wanted them not so bright, you could see if you can find some brown colours, and they would sort of like fit in with sort of like vintagey colours. And then of course I've got some black, and then on top of the black I popped some of this little sparkly one. This has got a bit of a funny colour, so I thought I'd use it just to go over the top of these. So I'm not sure whether you can see. This one's got a tiny bit of sparkle on it, and then all as you would do is pop one of these little gems in it. So this is like a self-adhesive black pearl on there, which I think looks really nice, doesn't it? So I think really pretty. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I've done it. Now I've got an old lid here. It's just an old lid from a jam jar. So you take one of these, you squash it down flat, and there we go. It's all done. Look, I've got nail polish on there already. Let's use another one so it doesn't show through. So there we go. I'm going to do one of the black ones because I think they show up a little bit better. So I'm going to just use my little tool here. So it's really simple. All you do is paint over the top, just like that. Now it gives that lovely enamel look. You can use embossing powders if you like, but this is so much quicker, I think. Just like that. Now you can leave it to dry if you're going to do lots, or you can just give it a quick blast with your heat gun, which I'm going to do now, so we can put some sparkly over the top. So 2 seconds. Now you have to be careful because it's metal, it will still be really hot. Okay, so just leave that. And if you're going to do a lot, make sure you're in a ventilated room, because nail polish sometimes has especially the cheap ones, they seem to have a very strong smell to them. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the sparkle over the top, just like that. Oopsie daisy. And I think they look really pretty. So that's something to do with all your little squash metal thing. So even if you had any other metal embellishments, you could do it exactly the same way. Like little corners, you can get the little corners to go on books and stuff. You could paint those to blend in. I'm going to quickly dry this off a minute. Okay, that's probably a little bit hot. Oopsie daisy. There we go. So you can see the little sparkle on there. I think it looks so pretty. Pop that to the side, and then all you want to do, get one of these little gems. I'll pop a little AB one on there because that's really shiny. Just stick that on. You could probably stick it on with a little bit more glue. Sometimes these don't really stick too well. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I think they look so lovely. And I was thinking, if you had like, I'll take this, it's just a piece of card. If you had like a tag or something, you could just pop something like that on the top or the bottom with a little one of these on, and I think that just makes a lovely little note card. Popped into a scrapbook or one of your journals. I think that looks really, really lovely. So there we go, guys. It's a little bit different from what I normally do, but I think they look so, so pretty. And this is one of the little browny goldy colours here, if I can pick it up. So that looks really nice. That would look nice on the lace as well, wouldn't it? On there. So I think they look really, really pretty. So it's something else for you guys to do. So have a rummage around through all your stash and see if you've got them. But again, they're really inexpensive, and you get a whole big bundle of them. And then you can make some lovely little embellishments to go with your journals. Paint them the colour that will match. And I think they look really, really lovely. Alright guys, well thank you so much for joining me. You have a lovely day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye bye.